Every day that I treat patients, I am consistently blown away with how well chiropractic and massage therapy works. This is an extremely effective way to treat mechanical issues in the body. We see true biomechanical issues improve so fast and so quickly to our care. I'm so confident in the work that we do here that I know when somebody does not respond well to care or as quickly as I expect, that there's often an underlying issue, and we're then able to get to that person to the correct provider. If you have mechanical pain or if you are just looking to improve your health, I really encourage you to come in for some care and find out how chiropractic and massage can change your life, the same way it's changed my life and all my patients.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.